to Millennium Computer's fast online tutorials for budgets and forecasting. A budget transfer is a decentralized budget admin transaction, and for this tutorial I will show you how to approve a budget transfer, send it to financial planning, and then how to post that same budget transfer. To approve a budget transfer, you can open it from the menu or from the Quick Launch area. Budget transfers that have yet to be approved will be in the Completion/Local Approval menu. Please note that all users have access to this menu. The first thing you might want to do is view the approval history to see the current status. As you can see, the budget transfer is balanced. However, depending on the business rule settings at your institution, you may be able to submit a budget transfer for approval that is not balanced. Please check with your administrator if you are not sure. You can edit information in the header record or accounting section. I have decided I want to use a different budget series, so I am going to change it. And because I made a change, I do have to save the header record. If needed, you can add more accounting lines by clicking the Add New icon. You also have the option to edit or delete an accounting line. As a reminder, other options on this page are attaching a file to the budget transfer, importing an Excel spreadsheet, open the budget transfer in PDF format. When you are ready, you can click the approval icon, the one that looks like a flying envelope. On the right are the prior approval comments, and on the left there are two options for approving the budget transfer. Please note that if this user account had been assigned the central approval role, the third option, to finalize the budget transfer, would also display. If need be, you can send this budget transfer back to the person who created it. However, for this tutorial, I will send it to Financial Planning Services. You can add any additional comments you have and then click the Submit button. A message opens and you can click OK to close the window. Now I am going to sign into a user account that has been assigned the central approval role to continue to approve this particular budget transfer. Budget transfers that have previously been approved and have been sent to Financial Planning Services are in the For Central Approval menu. You must be assigned specific roles for this menu option to display in your user account. Anyone who has access to this menu can approve the budget transfer. For example, if both you and I have access to the Central Approval menu, both of us will see the budget transfers in the menu. There are two menu options under Central Approvals, and the type of approval designation you have determines which menu the budget transfer waiting for approval goes to. The first one is for position control requests, and the second is for operational requests. Now I am going to quickly go to a different page to show you what I mean about the approval designation types. This is where you manage the designation types for central approvals. In this example, Test 1 has the P designation and the rest have the O designation. What this means is that when an approver with a position designation creates a budget transfer, it will go to the position menu. If the approver has either the P or O designation but did not create the budget transfer, then it will be in the operational menu. I'll now go back to the Budgets homepage to visually show you what I mean. As mentioned earlier, since this budget transfer is in the Position Control Requests menu, it was created by another approver. All other budget transfers would be in the Operational Requests menu. This budget transfer that I am selecting is the one I previously approved from the Local Approvals menu in the other user account. When you are ready, you can click the Submit for Approval icon. On the right are previous approval comments. Note that the last one was sent to Budgets. That denotes it was sent to the Financial Planning Department. And on the left there are two options. The first is to return it to the originator. You can do this if the budget transfer requires changes. The second option is to submit the budget transfer to the budget series and finalize it. This option displays because this user account has been assigned the central approval role. Add any additional comments, and then click the Submit button to finalize it. As you can see, I got a message advising me I didn't make a selection, so I'll do that now. And now I'll resubmit it.